Hello friends, welcome back to Eat Clean Daily. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite healthy desserts, a rich, chocolatey treat that tastes like a candy bar but is made with wholesome ingredients. These chocolate peanut butter bars are naturally sweetened with dates, packed with healthy fats, loaded with nutrients, and topped with a silky, sugar-free dark chocolate ganache. The best part? No refined sugar, no baking required, and only a few simple ingredients. Whether you're looking for a healthier dessert, an afternoon snack, or a sweet treat that won't leave you feeling sluggish, this recipe is for you. Let's get started. Ingredients. For the base, 1½ cups soft Medjool dates. For the peanut butter layer, 1 cup natural peanut butter. For the crunchy topping, 1/4 cup chopped pistachios, 1/4 cup chopped almonds, 1/4 cup pecan. For the sugar-free chocolate ganache, 1 cup sugar-free dark chocolate. 1/4 cup warm milk of choice. Why these ingredients are so good. Before we start assembling, let's talk about why this recipe is special. Dates are nature's candy. They provide natural sweetness along with fiber, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. The fiber in dates helps slow down digestion, making them much more satisfying than traditional sugary desserts. Peanut butter adds creaminess and healthy fats. It also contains protein, which helps keep you full longer and supports balanced energy levels. Pistachios and almonds bring crunch, flavor, and important nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and heart-healthy fats. And finally, sugar-free dark chocolate delivers that rich chocolate flavor while providing antioxidants and less sugar than traditional chocolate desserts. Together, these ingredients create a satisfying treat that tastes indulgent while offering nutritional benefits. Step 1. Prepare the date baseline. A small tray or baking dish with parchment paper. Take your soft dates and arrange them side by side. Once all the dates are in place, cover them with another piece of parchment paper. Using a glass, rolling pin, or your hands, gently press the dates together until they form one smooth layer. This becomes the naturally sweet foundation of our bars. As you press, you'll notice how sticky and caramel-like the dates become. That's exactly what we want. This layer creates a chewy texture that tastes surprisingly similar to caramel. Date benefits. Dates have been enjoyed for thousands of years. They're rich in antioxidants that help protect the body from oxidative stress. They're also a source of minerals that support healthy muscles and nerves. Unlike refined sugar, dates provide nutrients along with sweetness. That's why they're such a popular ingredient in healthy desserts. Step 2. Add the peanut butter layer. Now it's time for the creamy middle layer. Spread a thick, even layer of peanut butter over the date base. Take your time and make sure every corner is covered. The combination of dates and peanut butter creates an incredible flavor. Sweet, salty, rich, and satisfying. This layer also boosts the protein content of the bars, helping make them more filling than traditional desserts. Peanut butter benefits. Natural peanut butter contains protein and healthy fats, that can help support satiety. Many people find that including healthy fats in meals and snacks helps reduce cravings later in the day. Peanut butter is also a source of vitamin E and magnesium. For best results, choose a peanut butter made with peanuts and minimal added ingredients. Step 3. Add the nuts. Sprinkle chopped pistachios, pecans, and almonds generously over the peanut butter layer. Press them gently into the surface. This step adds texture, flavor, and beautiful color. The green pistachios look especially stunning against the creamy peanut butter. Why nuts are great. Almonds, pecans, and pistachios are nutrient-dense foods. They contain healthy fats, plant protein, fiber, and important minerals. Many studies have linked regular nut consumption with heart health benefits when enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. They also make healthy desserts feel more satisfying because of their crunch and richness. Step 4. Make the chocolate ganache. Place the sugar-free dark chocolate in a bowl. Pour warm milk over the chocolate. Allow it to sit for a minute. Then stir until smooth and glossy. You should have a silky chocolate ganache that's easy to pour. The smell at this stage is absolutely amazing. Rich, deep chocolate with a luxurious texture. Pour the ganache over the nut layer and spread evenly. Watch as the chocolate covers every corner. This final layer transforms a simple snack into a truly irresistible dessert. Benefits of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains powerful antioxidants called flavonoids. When choosing dark chocolate, look for varieties with a high cocoa content and little or no added sugar. Its intense flavor means a small amount can be very satisfying. Step 5. Freeze. Transfer the tray to the freezer. Allow the bars to chill until completely firm. Depending on the size of your tray, this usually takes about 1 to 2 hours. Freezing helps all the layers bond together and makes slicing easier. This is the hardest part, because the bars look so tempting already. Step 6. Slice and enjoy. Remove the tray from the freezer. Lift the dessert out using the parchment paper. Using a sharp knife, cut into bars or squares. Look at those beautiful layers. The chewy date base, the creamy peanut butter center. The crunchy nuts, and the glossy chocolate topping. Every bite delivers the perfect combination of textures and flavors. Enjoy these bars as a healthy dessert, with coffee or tea, as a post-lunch treat, as an energy snack, for meal prep during the week. Store them in the refrigerator for up to 1 week or freeze them for longer storage. Healthy eating doesn't mean giving up desserts. With simple ingredients like dates, peanut butter, nuts, and dark chocolate, you can create treats that are both delicious and nourishing. These chocolate peanut butter bars are proof that healthy recipes can be incredibly satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Eat Clean Daily, and share it with someone who loves chocolate. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next healthy recipe video. Until next time, eat clean and stay healthy.